wish each and every subscriber of my channel a happy new year to each and everyone. New Years are the new beginnings, isn't it? Love, New Years are new beginnings, a time where we set our new goals. And for setting our goals, we need a planner, yes? And up till now, I was like planning into my DIY planners where I used to set up everything. But this year, I have planned to buy a new planner, and the planner is over here. I have got it. It's from the Factor Notes. It's for 999. I'll give you a complete flip through of this planner. So this diary comes in a lovely cover, like a box like this, with a lot of doodles on it. Let's open it. If you just see here, it's a lovely quote written here. You glow as you grow. Isn't it lovely? And this is the beautiful diary that I'm talking about, the Factor Notes planner. Here's the cover of the planner. It's a black with some flowers, which is a floral color, very beautifully done. And the beautiful quote goes, and I just love it. It is so positive. Grow through what you go through. So this could be really motivating for planning, isn't it? You can grow while you're whatever you're facing in life. You can always learn something from whatever you are facing. It's a lovely black color. The texture is also so nice, so beautiful. Now let me give you a flip throughout the planner. The planner, let me tell you, the planner is filled with quotes. Everywhere you can read so many quotes. So this is the opening page, and then there comes the first page. The planner belongs to. Here we will be writing a name, and then we can stick a picture for us. A lot of empty space. You can decorate this by using stickers. A lot of stickers are there. I'm going to show you till the end, so be connected with me. Over here they have given the way how to use this planner, and these are the place. This is the place where you can write the goals. They are given 5 different place blocks, so we can select 5 places where we can write 5 different areas where we can write our goals. A vision board. A vision board is a area where we can stick whatever we want in this coming year or in future. Whatever we want, we can visualize it. We can stick pictures, doodle, something like that. Then comes a lovely page called improvement plan, divided into 4 parts. All main important thing: body, mind, relationship and work. In the 4 different areas, what will be your improvement plan for 2022? You can write it down. We are going to do this after I show you the flip through. Quotes, whatever quotes whenever you feel so low, you can just read those quotes, or whenever you listen some good quote, you can definitely write them over here. Days to remember. The whole year is given with some space. If important dates are there which you want to remember, you can really write it over in some certain months. Highlights of the year and how this year will be. Lovely thing it is given. What you want to practice, what you want to have time for, what you want to focus more on, what you want to start doing, and what you want to stop doing. So all that's quite a reflective type of a planner. This is a letter where you're going to write for yourself. Then there are lots of questions, reflective questions. Definitely, if you solve these, you will become much better, improved person. It's a very good for reflection, to know yourself well, to understand yourself, to plan accordingly. Then comes this, the bucket list and the anti-bucket list. I loved this one, anti-bucket list. The bucket list, I think it's in all the planners where you have to mention the things that you want to do in this year. But the anti-bucket list is a new thing where you don't want to do this. and we know what we don't want to do in this year, so we can mention all those things over here. We will be doing this after some time. How will be my ideal week? Proper week full explanation is given over here. Have the whole year's calendar, full calendar is available, some place to write some notes and all, so it's lovely. Okay, now starts the January page. It's a lovely drawing. It says this is the beginning of anything you want, isn't it? Januaries are the one of my favorite months of the year. This is the whole monthly focus, what you want to focus over here. Have you where all the appointments, all the important dates, birthdays, any scheduled things over here. So here there also is a section, a quite space for writing the notes and all. Then we have the budget plan, very important. Here we can write all our income sources and all the expense that we did in the whole month, and then we can review it afterwards. A meal plan, a whole month's meal plan will be written over here. The shopping list and some notes if needed. This is one of my favorite, that is the mood tracker. This time the mood tracker is in the planner, so it's a color coding mood tracker. There are different moods given here. There is cheerful, peaceful, okayish, furious, confused and low. So we can give different colors for each and accordingly we can color it. Here there is a tracker. It's not named, but I think it's for period tracking. But I am planning it to use for some other thing also. We can track our periods, plus I deep clean my fridge once a month. So when I did that, I can even mark that. Whatever things you are doing once in the month, you can mark it over here. You can write the things over here and then you can give a color code to it. That's lovely. Then comes the affirmation for the month, goals for the month, things to focus and distractions to avoid. Lot of space is given. You can really write it neatly, nicely, whatever you want. Next comes next comes this part. It's a whole to-do list thing of a to-do list thing. Here you can write your to-do list for the day, and this is the whole week. In whole week, what do you want? It always starts with if you see, it starts with a quote. Then comes things to remember, what you want to do in this month. You can track some habits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 habits you can track. 6 habits you can track, right? And then some top priorities for you. How was your sleep during this week? You can even track that. And there is enough space to write some notes or some important things that are coming in this week. Okay, this is the same for the whole month. Then comes at the end is the monthly reflection. So what were your accomplishments? What are you grateful for? What was the learning of this month? What could you do it better? So that is the monthly reflections. And then wellness tracker means how well did you go this month? Were you happy? How fit you were physically? How mentally fit you were? How productive you were being? Did you manage the time properly, your me time? Even that we can track over here, rating from 1 to 5. Some space for notes. And then starts the next month, that is February. And then they have so many more coming. Every month they have March. Then we have April, May. Isn't it beautiful? May, lovely paragraphs. Everywhere you'll find quotes which will inspire you, keep you motivated. June, July, August, September. Lovely, September is given, right? September is so beautiful. September, October, November, and then December. So this was all the pages that I've. Okay, at the last we have something special. Is we have, after December, we have something. Oh yeah. After the monthly, this one we have some pages where we can write whatever you want to read this month. So reading is very important, you all know. So what all books you want to read this year, you can write, and when you started and when you end, you can write that. What were you learning? You could also do like that, no? This book I read and this thing I learned, one sentence, in one sentence you can write. Or you can write a reading different and this also differently. You can write your reading over here, whatever books you read this year, or whichever books you want to read this year. What are your learnings? You can write that as well. Then what movie you watch, there are 2 pages for movies. What series you wanted to watch, what all serials or series you want to watch. Your travel list, you want to travel this year, which places you want to go, whichever food or restaurant you want to try this year, you can even write that. Then something, my possession map, so what you own. These are all reflective type of question. What you want, what you have lent, what you have borrowed, everything over here can come. Your identity card, what are your items, what is your health index, very important, no? What is your health index, what is yours, what is your partner's health index, everything can come over here. Then your wish list for 2022, whatever you want over here, what, when, and budget. So whatever you want to do in 2022, you can write it, and you can always come to this page and see whether you're getting those things or not. Then you have actually annual vacation plan. A full plan is given where you can plan your whole vacation. You want to go somewhere, where you're going to go, things to do, what you're going to see, and all the experiences, expenditures, everything is given over. It's lovely. They have 1, 2, 3. I think they have 2. Then the vacation packing list also is given here, which is very important. And some pages to doodle around. And finally, we have these lovely stickers. It has a nice pocket, and here we have lovely stickers. I'm going to show you all the stickers. So these are some lovely stickers. So meetings, you can use a sticker for our planning. Lovely, it reminds to hydrate, goals, if you're tired and all. Lovely quotes, self-care, no? Lovely there. And it also comes with a band which can help to close it properly, like that. And this is my planner for the year 2022. So video was helpful and you learned something about planning. Kindly consider subscribing my channel, and please share it to your friends and families so that it will support me and my channel. Till then, all my lovely people, take care, be home, be safe, bye.